ड्रीमिंग ऑफ स्टडिंग अब्रॉड, बट आपको भी यही सवाल परेशान करता रहता है ना, दैट हाउ डू आई अप्लाई टू यूनिवर्सिटीज ओवरसीज? हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल. And today we are tackling one of the most important questions for anyone dreaming of studying abroad. That how do I apply to universities overseas step by step? Whether you have got your heart set on the USA, UK, Ireland, Australia or New Zealand, or you are still exploring your options and other countries, आप ये वीडियो बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करोगे, because by the end of this video you will know exactly what to do and more importantly how GradOut can help you navigate this journey with more ease. So before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest study abroad tips and updates. Well, applying to universities abroad can feel like you are juggling a million things at once. Application forms, essays, test scores, recommendations, and don't forget about the deadlines and scholarships. But don't worry, today we are going to break it down into clear, manageable steps. So, coming to step number 1, self-assessment and goal setting. First thing first, you need to know what you want. What's your desired field of study? Which country's education system resonates with your career goals? What's your budget, including tuition and living expenses? This is where many students get stuck. Don't just pick a university क्योंकि वो somehow famous है. Think about course content, faculty expertise, campus culture and the kind of learning environment you thrive in जो आपको चाहिए अपने पढ़ने के लिए. At GradOut, we start by understanding your academic interests, career ambitions and financial constraints. हमारे काउंसलर्स आपको हेल्प करते हैं यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स की एक रियलिस्टिक शॉर्टलिस्ट क्रिएट करने में जो आपकी प्रोफाइल से परफेक्टली अलाइन करती है. स्टेप नंबर 2, रिसर्च एंड शॉर्टलिस्टिंग यूनिवर्सिटी. एक बार आपने अपने गोल्स आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए, उसके बाद द वेरी नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज थॉरो रिसर्च. चेक यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग्स. See where the university stand globally and for your specific subject area वो कहाँ stand करती है. Next is course details. Look at the module breakdowns, internship opportunities and research facilities. फिर आता है location and lifestyle. Consider the climate, cost of living, campus size and community engagement. This might sound overwhelming, but it's crucial to get it right. But no worries. Our experts have curated up-to-date databases of universities and programs worldwide. We do the heavy lifting, comparing tuition fees, scholarships, program length and post-study work options. हम इंश्योर करते हैं कि आप उन्हीं यूनिवर्सिटीज में अप्लाई करें जो आपका क्राइटेरिया मीट करती है. Step 3, standardized tests and language proficiency. Many universities require English proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL और PT. और कुछ एडवांस प्रोग्राम्स भी जिसमें you need SAT, GRE और GMAT scores. But here's a pro tip. Start preparing at least 3 to 6 months in advance. Take practice tests and enroll in prep courses अगर ज़रूरी है. Aim for scores that meet or even exceed the minimum requirements listed by your target universities. We offer guidance on test selection, prep materials, and reliable coaching institutes. If you are unsure about when and where to take these tests or when to start, GradOut can help you schedule and prepare efficiently. Step number 4, preparing your application documents. It includes academic transcripts and certificates, statement of purpose, SOP or personal statement, letter of recommendation, your resume or CV, proof of English proficiency test scores, work experience or internship letter. It's critical कि ये documents polished और error free हो. Your SOP should tell a compelling story आपके बारे में, that why you want to study this subject, why at this particular university, what you hope to achieve and so much more. इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में you should be very clear. But again, no worries cause इस पूरे process में भी हमारे experts आपकी help throughout करेंगे. Coming to step number 5, financial planning and scholarships. Studying abroad can be pricey, but don't let that stop you. Explore scholarships, grants, and bursaries. university-specific aids, government-sponsored scholarships, education loans, part-time work opportunities. Planning your finances early can remove a lot of stress down the line. So इन constraints को ध्यान में रखना काफी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी and important है, where again we come there to help you. Coming to step number 6, submitting the application. Once all the documents are in place, it's time to submit your application. Keep track of deadlines because late submissions or missing documents can cost you your spot. Step number 7, tracking your application and interview prep. After submission, some universities might request interviews. Keep an eye on your email and university portals for updates. Here also we provide you with mock interview sessions and tips जिससे आप अपने interviews के लिए better prepared रहोगे. Plus, we'll keep you informed about any status changes and deadlines for final decisions. Coming to the last but not the least, step number 8, accepting offers and visa guidance. Congratulations! If you have reached this stage, you might have one or more offers. Evaluate them based on financial aid, ranking, career outcomes, and personal preferences. Once you choose your program, the next step is to apply for your student visa. We will help you interpret your offer letters, weigh your options, and navigate the visa application process. From required documents to interview tips or loan guidance and more. And there you have it. 8 clear steps to get you from I want to study abroad to I am going abroad. Although आपको अभी भी सुन के लग रहा होगा कि that's a lot to take. But remember, you don't have to do this all alone. GradOut is here to help you at every step of the way, making the process smoother, less stressful and more rewarding. Just reach out to us by simply completing the Google form below. Link is in description box. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.